Hanap mo ba ay Jollibee sa Kuala Lumpur? Ito ay malapit lang sa Bukit Bintang Monorail Station. Probably less than 500 meters. Pag makita mo ang shopping mall na Plaza Loyat, ito na yon. Tara, enjoy!
The balance for ringgit 40 cents, sir. This your receipt. This your receipt number. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.